One of the most beautiful expressions of love and loyalty was first spoken by Ruth, and has been recorded for us in the scriptures. It says, "Entreat me not to leave you, or to turn back from following after you. For wherever you go, I will go, and wherever you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God, my God. Where you die, I will die, and there I will be buried. The Lord do so to me, and more also, if anything but death parts you from me."
Tom, I've always admired who you are. Your faith, values, and ambition are just a few of the things that make you such a great man.
I've had the pleasure of being a part of Lexi's life for over 23 years now. When we were young, I always had it in my head that I was someone Lexi looked up to because I was older. But as we grew up, I found myself looking up to Lexi. Lexi, you are a woman that emulates Christ.
The first time I met Lexi was on their second date at another wedding. Love you, Jay and Katie. They're back there. Tom was so proud standing by Lexi's side. There was a moment when she walked away for a second, and Tom turned to me with the most excitement I've ever seen in his eyes. And he said, "Dude, I love her. I'm gonna marry her." So I didn't want him to scare her away. So I said, "Tom, don't tell her that right now."
Sis, I'm gonna go talk to her.
I cannot think of a moment when I've not felt more proud of Alexis to be her father. From her first breath to watching her sing a solo at church. Tom may not know about this. To Awana's, to the great times we had through high school, watching her play volleyball and watching her walk across that stage and graduate at UNLV.
My dearest Alexis, I would love to say the moment I met you is when you stole my heart. But the truth is, you stole my heart before we even met. You see, when you were a young girl, you prayed for me. And I'm here to tell you, you lifted me out of some tough situations. You kept my faith strong when I felt weak. I didn't know your name at the time, but I could feel your love coming from a God who formed this road home to you.
Thomas Isaiah Morgan, I promise that the first time I saw you walk into that church, I had a strong feeling that you were going to mean so much to me. You make me laugh, you make me feel at home, and you make me feel like the prettiest girl alive.
The day we first met was the day my breath was taken right out of my lungs, and every single moment in my life made sense.
I promise to seek truth from God and others wiser than me to be the best wife I can be for you. I promise to one day be the best mommy to our children. You make me so proud and have no doubt that you're going to be an amazing husband and father one day. You have a heart of gold, and I couldn't have asked for a better, kinder, more handsome man.
I promise to be a reflection of God's love and to lead our home with Him as our foundation. You are the most beautiful part of life. You are my passion, my best friend, and the love of my life. And I can't wait to do life and beyond with you. Our greatest journey is about to begin. With all my heart and sincerity, Thomas.
God has blessed me immensely with your love, your goofiness, and your passion for life. I cannot wait to become a Morgan. I love you so much, my love.
Do you take Alexis, whom you now hold by your hand, as your true and lawful wife? And do you, Alexis, take Thomas, whom you now hold by the hand, as your true and lawful husband?
This is the moment we've been waiting for our whole lives.
I feel like we can accomplish anything with each other in God.
By the authority vested in me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I now declare you husband and wife. Tom, you may kiss the bride.